Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us
on Radio SI.
Merhaba Zehra.
Merhaba.
Hoş geldiniz.
Oh, you know that word. Hoş bulduk.
Evet. I don't know what you said, but
Admit it, have you been watching those Turkish lemonades?
no, I've never watched
Is
any
that
of them.
where you learned them from? Merhaba, benim adım Zehra. Türkiye'den geldim.
Sounds nice. And now in English?
Hello, my name is Zehra. I came from Turkey, a city called Izmir, and I live in Lendava right now with my husband's family.
Hello, my name is Andrei. I'm from Slovenia. I met her 5 years ago. It was a balcony of the dormitory. We talked until 3 o'clock in the morning, right? Yeah. And well, we were together for 3 months and then she had to go back to Turkey.
Last year in October we got married and I had to stay in Turkey a little bit more for those papers and procedures, you know. I got my permission after I got married. It was nerve-wracking. Dealing with those paper stuff is stressful, really. Like, is it gonna happen? Will it be easy? All questions.
And now you're here.
Yeah.
In Lendava.
Finally. Prekmurje, oh yeah. Prekmurje area is a little bit land of the hardworking people.
Really?
Yeah. People of Turkmurje is more like into farming stuff. For whole summer they have been digging and planting something, watering, and I was helping a little bit too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Showing them how the Turkish people do it, yeah?
No, actually they were showing me how they do it because I grew up in city in Izmir, you know. It was so far away from village life. Slovenia is really beautiful country. I don't know, the nature is amazing. We have been traveling around a little bit to the mountains. What was the name of that place?
Kranjska Gora, Vršić.
It was so beautiful. What else? Bled Lake, Postojnska Jama. Yeah, those classic touristical places we went. The life is a little bit difficult for me to get used to here because after coming from big city to little village of Lendava, it's pretty hard because it's so different. I mean, it's something.
Izmir has like
4 million.
4 million.
Yeah, pretty big, pretty crowded city. So I feel pretty lonely here, that's why, because there are not enough people. In the summer my brother came here to visit me and he was shocked, like, what the? There's nobody here.
So you're still getting used to it, right?
Yeah, I'm
Still adapting.
Yeah, I still consider myself as new to here. So I'm still getting used to it, but I'm doing quite well.
Would you agree with that?
Yes, of course I would. I remember the first day she came, she was standing at the window and just watching out for 2 hours. And she said, "Look, Andrei, deer." I said, "I know, it's nothing special," but she was so amazed. She took a camera and it was so funny.
Yeah, the house is in the middle of the land, so it's really, you can see so far away when you look from the window. In Turkey, in my Turkish house, it wasn't possible. All you see is the building next to you, all buildings around. But here, when I look from the window, I can see deers, foxes, any kind of birds. I remember the first moment I looked out from window when I first came to Slovenia. It was magical.
Zemlja se odpira proti dnu, skale se valijo brez glasu in moj samotni veter se zakanja brez miru. Plameni mi grejejo telo, iskre mi pegajo oko in moj rumeni ogenj se dviga pod nebo. Kakor da se nič ni zgodilo, zlil si se v moje srce. Kakor da se nič ni zgodilo, našel si moje ime. Kakor da se nič ni zgodilo, si umiril moj korak. Kakor da se nič ni zgodilo, si mi vdihnil nov zrak.
You're listening to Land of Dreams. This week with Zehra Bogdan, a Turk living in Slovenia.
You're cold now. It's like 10 degrees and you're cold.
10 degrees? Is it 10 degrees?
Yeah, it's 10 degrees. It's not cold now.
Divje vode se vzpenjajo.
In Lendava there is this church, and in that church there is a mummified soldier, and that soldier died defending Lendava against Turks. So my grandfathers were attacking the
Lendava.
Lendava, but they never conquered.
And now you're in Lendava.
Yeah, here I am.
Mission accomplished.
Kakor da se nič ni zgodilo.
But seriously, I'm happy nobody ever brings that topic up, like you are a Turk. I didn't feel any kind of unfriendly behavior about that, so I'm cool. I had two options, Poland or Slovenia, and I was doing some research on it, like which one should I choose? And I saw the photos of Slovenia, photos of that Bled lake on internet, and I said, okay, I'm going there.
And now, what's your plan now?
A difficult question.
It depends on jobs.
Yeah, depends on job because the economy seems bad nowadays. There are not jobs even for the Slovenians. Plus, Turkey's economy is developing right now. It's a big economy. But in Turkey, you always work more there.
So it might be easier to find a job there?
Yeah, because it is crowded and there are always some work to do. It is easier to find a job, maybe, but working hours are killing. It's a privilege to live here. You feel kind of special, you know, because you are one of the very few people. But in big cities, you don't feel that special. You are just somebody. You are lost in the crowd.
Well, it was nice that we came inside and we're not outside.
Yeah.
Right?
It's much nicer inside, definitely.
Are you warm now?
Yeah, much more.
Thank you for today.
No, thank you for listening to me.
Çok teşekkürler.
Bir şey değil.
Güle güle.
Hoşça kalın.
See you. Yeah.
See you in Lendava.
Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us every Wednesday at 11:20 a.m. and every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Only
On Radio SI.